It's Ireland's national instrument, and now the harp has received UNESCO cultural designation following a campaign supported by musicians and members of the public alike.
We were really taken aback at the extent of the emotional involvement that people have with the harp as our national instrument, and almost as if it's part of their DNA. From Cruit Éireann to U2 got it in at the very last minute, to people like Brennan who plays all the time, harpers all over the world.
This designation will shine a spotlight on the harp and encourage its use as a living instrument. It has been welcomed by musicians like Siobhan Armstrong, who is working to preserve the historical harp.
This is the ancient Irish harp, which has brass wire strings, which for most of its history was played with long nails. And so I'd really like to see a resurgence in this kind of harp among all the other harps that we play in Ireland.
It has been played for hundreds of years, and the harp continues to delight and entertain. Sinead Crowley, RTE News.